Understanding, play the finale, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the meaning and use of the phrase, play the finale. This phrase is not just about music but also has a broader significance in English. So, let's explore this interesting phrase together. The phrase, play the finale, originally comes from the world of music, where finale refers to the last piece or performance in a concert. It's usually the most dramatic or memorable part. However, in everyday English, this phrase has taken on a metaphorical meaning. It is often used to describe ending something in a significant or dramatic way. It's not just about concluding, it's about concluding with impact. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used. 1. In a work project, after months of hard work, it's time to play the finale and present our results. 2. In personal goals, I've run most of the marathon. Now it's time to play the finale and finish strong. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, not just in music. When using this phrase, remember, it's about ending something, not starting. It implies a significant or impactful conclusion. Don't confuse it with similar phrases like final play, which has a different meaning. Here are some similar phrases and what they mean. The final act, similar to play the finale, often used to indicate the last part of a process. The last hurrah, this means the final appearance or effort, especially at the end of someone's career. Understanding these nuances can help you use each phrase correctly. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, play the finale. It's a powerful way to talk about endings, whether in music, work, or personal achievements. Remember, the way we conclude something can be just as important as how we begin. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.